Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 Minutes Money and Personal Finance Show. In yesterday's episode, answering a viewer's question, I said that this is a good time to be booking profits. Immediately, somebody who is a regular subscriber of my videos connected and said, Deepak, normally you say that until your financial goal is not reached, you should not be fiddling with your portfolios, you should not be redeeming, you should not be trying to time the market. So, what a wonderful question. First of all, I was so happy that somebody is actually listening to what I am saying and practicing what I preach. And he said, since my goal is very far away, do you still recommend that I book some profits? Try to understand. Yesterday's answer was basis a question what a viewer had asked, and it was trying to give him an idea that if you have made oversized returns in 1 year, and if markets are supposed to give this much and you have got that much in 1 year, it makes sense to take some profits home. However, in this case, where he is saying that his goal is really far away, he is not interested in redeeming and he doesn't want to take that risk of taking money out, and if the market goes up further, he doesn't want to lose out. So here's a good strategy for somebody like this. If you are not sure that you should be taking out and you will not be able to time the market, which nobody can, however, you are aware that there have been outsized returns in the last 8 to 9 months, and if you were lucky enough to have invested at that time when the markets were down, if you do not want to take out your money, one of these things is advisable. Switch into a aggressive hybrid fund. An aggressive hybrid fund will have approximately 70% in equity and 30% in debt, or switch into a balanced advantage or a dynamic asset allocator type fund where, depending upon the market levels, the equity and the debt portion gets readjusted. This will balance out the balance top rise which you think that you will miss out if you redeem today. So if you are in that a position where your goal is really far away, but you would like to book in some profits but not take them home, have it within the portfolio and prevent the portfolio from falling if the market turns, a switch to either a aggressive equity hybrid fund or a balanced advantage dynamic asset allocator type of fund will do the job.